ki nonghikai school ad hoc men ski sajan ka arterik unaitung kilashimye karai ban beteng ke jingye khi shong line mongor but sahmiet ha parking lot ka badon hadien ka secretariat wala usembut menteri rangba ka jela ha ka chitrik unaitung ulakular pan pun urlong no ye ka jingdawa kan tiu tulop saha kawei pat ka cabinet meeting henry kini ki nonghikai da kawei ka sur kilashimye karai ban abbe haduh bandadep ka cabinet meeting pat ban yo sendon ya ka hukum.
The moment of truth is this, where yesterday after we met with Sir President Dinsong, we made it very clear to him that we will ask your decision what you are going to do with regards to whether you should wait here or whether you should go home. That decision belongs to each and every single one. It's not of a single person. So the wish of the government is this. The wish of the government is that we go home and we wait for the enhancement. That is the wish of the government. But we also told Pak Prestun that we all also like to hear the wish of the teachers. So when I ask you this question, you answer in only one line. Do not answer in a statement. Clear? Do not. It is an answer of 1 mark since all of you are teachers. 1 mark's answer. Do not give me an answer of 5 marks. You might make some grammatical mistakes, then you will lose that 1 marks as well. So, the question is this: should we continue to sit here, or should we go home? Okay, so your answer will be only this: sit here and wait. And the second answer is go home. Whether you sit here and wait or you go home. Okay. Sit here and wait. Can we see your hands? Please raise your hands. Okay. Sit here and wait or go home. Sit here and wait. Raise your hands. Sit here and wait or go home.
Sit here and wait.
Sit here and wait.
Yes.
Raise your hands. Okay. Anyone going home? Okay. Sit here and wait or go home. Anyone going home? Raise your hands. No. Sit here and wait. Raise your hands. Okay. Go home.
Sit here and wait.
Sit here and wait. Raise your hands. Sit here and wait. Okay. Or we go home. So unanimously, all the teachers who are here, they responded that they will sit here and wait. So sir, I will ask you just one question. In Garu Hills, what is the voice? Whether the teachers will sit there and wait or they will go home? The decision that is also taken in Garu Hills. So I'm speaking right now to Sir Kinstar Mumin. He is the Vice President of FASTOM. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So it means that the decision from Garu Hills is to sit and wait. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.